Microsoft is finally fixing one of the biggest privacy gaps on Windows 11 by letting you manage camera, microphone, and location access for individual traditional desktop apps. Hello everyone, today we're looking at Windows 11 build 26340.9233 for version 26H2, rolling out in the experimental channel as part of the Windows K2 initiative. Alongside those new Win32 privacy controls, this update introduces a redesigned AutoPlay dialog, a new setting to automatically launch apps, maximize, and handy file explorer upgrades. Let's jump right in. First, the biggest feature in this build is the new granular privacy controls for Win32 apps. Previously, blocking camera, microphone, or location access for traditional desktop programs was an all or nothing toggle. Now, Windows 11 lists all the desktop apps individually under the privacy and security page. You can now toggle access off for specific programs without breaking access to others. Your existing permissions are preserved, but keep an eye out. Microsoft notes that some applications may appear under unexpected names, particularly those using shared system components or browser-hosted experiences, while apps with unknown publisher information may appear unsigned, so only grant access to the apps you recognize and trust. Next up, AutoPlay is getting its long overdue visual refresh. When you connect a phone, camera, or external drive, the AutoPlay dialog now uses WinUI design principles. It supports dark mode, scales properly on high DPI displays, and sends notifications to the notification center so they don't get in the way. Also, the updated dialog now uses a center alignment instead of the top right alignment, and you can set the default action for future actions. Under the visual effects page, there is a new toggle known as Open Apps Maximize, and turn this on forces programs to launch in maximized mode automatically. A great accessibility upgrade for screen reader users, tablets, or anyone who doesn't like manually maximizing windows. So to give this a try, we can close the settings tab. And as you can see, it starts on the same Windows side that I left it. And then if we go to the accessibility section, and then if we turn on the feature, and now we will launch the application, we're going to see that it starts on the maximized mode. Over in File Explorer, the preview pane can render automatic previews for PDF and non-HTML files downloaded straight from the web, saving you extra clicks. For more details about this preview, check the link in the description. And if you're finding this breakdown helpful, drop a like and hit the subscribe button. Now, this build also packs a few key fixes. In the taskbar, this flag fixes an issue where the taskbar animation stops working shortly after starting. As part of the input, this update resolves a bug causing mouse cursors to randomly disappear in certain apps. And on the settings app, the install apps page now shows top-level version numbers for packaged apps. Now let's go to the settings app and let's check the feature flags that we can enable on this particular preview. So if we go to the feature flags page, these are all the features that we can enable manually on this build. Now, if we scroll down, we can see a long list of inactive flags for features that are already integrated into the operating system, and they can no longer be enabled or disabled using flags. And that's it. Let me know what you think about the changes on Windows 11 build 26340.9233. Remember to like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.